Hello, Octavian from Tech Octavian, and today's video is gonna be about how to use your Windows operating system without touching the mouse. So over here I won't be touching the mouse, and only what I'll be doing is use my Windows whatever functions will be only through keyboard. So let's begin. So first of all, you'll have to use the taskbar. So first, if you want to open Windows, then you have to simply press the Windows key that everybody knows. But what if you want to use the other tools which are in the taskbar? For that, you'll have to press Windows and T. Once you press that, you can navigate through the navigation keys and you can use the task which is running in your task manager. This was Windows T. So if you press Windows T, you will be able to view the task manager without touching the mouse. Even if you want to use the other icons, the notification icons which are on the right hand side of your task manager, so you have to use the shortcut key, that is Windows and B. So once you use that, you will be able to use those notifications which are given on the right hand side of the screen, particularly the date, the battery, the Wi-Fi, the music control panel, and the notification itself. So you can use that. Now if you want to go into the Explorer, that Windows Explorer, then you have to press Windows E. Then the Explorer starts. Then once you want to navigate, then you'll have to press tab until and unless it doesn't come over here and the left hand side tab, and then press this PC. Once you press this PC, then you can just press tab and then go ahead and can navigate in your drive. Now after going into drive, if you want to navigate, you can still navigate, but there is one more thing that you can quickly do it is by just typing. Suppose I am typing P, then the folder will be highlighted with the letter P, S setup, M movies, and vice versa. So if you want to minimize this, you have to press Windows M. Okay, and if you want to again see what is there in your task manager, the Alt tab, and with this you will come to know what is running. So that is the feature. Now if you want to just move this particular window anywhere on your display, then you will have to just press Alt space and move. Then you can move it without using a mouse. If you want to resize a particular window, again you have to press escape, then you have to press Alt space, and then you have to press on size. You can reduce the size and maximize it according to your requirement and need. Okay, so that is an easy feature. Now let's move on. If you want to quit this, then there are two options, Alt F4 or Control W. Okay, I use the Control W function. Now let me show you one more thing. Windows semicolon. If you press Windows semicolon, it will give you emojis if you want to add while you're using Facebook or other stuff. Okay, so this is a very good feature. Press escape. Then there is one more thing. If you want an urgent need of a browser while you're surfing to surf the internet, then Windows and exclamation mark, then your browser comes over here. If you want to minimize it, Windows M, and if you want to close it, then you have to press Alt F4 or else Control W button. Okay, then it gets quit. It will stop and close down. Now another feature which I wanted to show you all is, if you want to lock your PC without using the mouse, you have to press the Windows L button and your computer will lock, and it will ask for a password if you have put. So over here I'll put the password again to unlock it. So I have unlocked it. If you want to shut down the PC, Alt F4, everybody knows that. And there is another thing which I want to show you, that is Windows F6. If you press Windows F6 and keep it pressed repeatedly, and you can also navigate through the other three, that is the task view bar and Windows tab F6, then you can directly open it. But Windows F6 repeatedly, and then you can use the other feature as well. Okay, so that is the main feature. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, and here you came to know how to use your computer without using a mouse. If the mouse is not there, and if you want to use your PC without a mouse, you can at least, by these few methods, at least use your PC worthwhile and get the things done. So thank you everyone, hope you like the video. Like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you and take care. Bye.